It's okay, I will start again. See, next is automation. So automation, you can use the Burp Suite. For automation, you can use XSStrike and you can use the Dalfox. So XSStrike is an old tool, so it's a Python based. So it like, see, Python based tool, what happen, like Python will update all the times. So what happen if you use the old library, then you will get the error. So you need to fix them. Okay. Other than that, like Burp Suite and Dalfox, they are easy to use and you can use them everywhere. And you can also use the XSStrike also, but sometimes this will give you the error. So you need to fix them. Okay. So I will tell you one by one. So Burp Suite, like how you can automate the XSS through the Burp Suite. So you can use these payloads. So these payloads are very good for XSS through automating the. See, these are the payloads, and if you want to use them, okay, let's see. XSS payload. These are the payloads. See, go to the intruder, and these are the payloads. Okay. See, now you want to use this payload for exploitation. Let's say you find out a web application, and let's say this is the web application, and you search for something. See, and now you want to check out this parameter for the XSS. So you need to like check one by one. That is difficult. See, one by one payload fixing difficult. So what you can do, you can automate this, like copy this, and we need to capture this request. So we cannot use the Firefox. We will use the Chrome. Let's open up. Why this is taking so much time? See, this location, we need to capture this request. Bob. See, this is the request. Send it to the repeater, and after that we need to send it to the intruder. Here, clear, and we want to check this location. So you can select this. Okay, and after that you need to use the payloads. So you can use those payloads from there. See, these are the payloads, and click on the C. Copy raw file, and after that paste it here. See, these are the payloads, and these are very good payloads. So you can use them, and you can use the other payloads also. So see, but see, let's start and see like what happened. If everything is going fine, or like you are getting some error or not. See, and this is working fine. So after that you can check out them, like, okay, how you can check them? Search for the lowest length or highest length and check them. See, these are going one by one. The website is slow, because of that this is going slow. See, and if you are seeing like something different, let's see, 3281, 3234, and if you will see, this is different. See, this length is different. So you can check for this, like go to the response and right click, and you can say like request in browser original session, copy and paste it in the browser, and if XSS is executed, then there is a bug. Website is very slow. Okay, this is very slow. So you can check them. See, this length. See, this length is also different. Then right click. So you can also use the show response, copy, and right click, send it here, and see, no XSS executed. Let's wait. And if you find out an XSS, then yeah, you can use that, like, okay, you can think like, okay, this URL is working like this. Okay, let's check out this. So or you can also see that this render option. See, but this will also take some time. See, nothing is there, nothing there. So this render is not working. So you can give row, copy and paste it in the browser, and if XSS is executed, then there is an XSS. And check out this. So you need to check out the different size. Go for the size. So like see, and if you see the like very different size, then you can think like, okay, maybe there is an XSS. Let's say check out for this. Right click, show response in the browser. See, there is an XSS, means this payload is working. Okay, so you can try the XSS now like this through the automation. See, this is going one by one. So this is this side is like going very slow because of that our this intruder is also going slow. Other than that, this will be fast. Okay, so is this, see, URL is encoded. This, see, this payload is this, but this is encoded. So you can use the other. See this, like if you unselect this, and after that this will not encode that. You want to see payload is directly there. See, no encoding. Okay, you can encode in 2 times also. Like see, if you want to use encoding 2 times, so how you can use, see, this is 1 time and add one more, like select rule and encode and encode, let's say I want to use the URL encode, and okay, and after that start, then you will see, like see, now payload is, all the payloads are see encoded. So but you need to find out like what thing is working, and after that you need to try out that. Okay, so first find out like how things are working, and after that you can use the processing, and you can use the in many rules, like okay, like match and replace and substring, reverse substring, modify, decode, encode. You can use this in many cases. So let's remove this. Okay, so this is the Burp Suite automation. Other is XSSstrike. So for XSSstrike, you need to install it. XSSstrike and Dalfox. See, these payloads are the from XSSstrike. If you tried those payload, then do not use the XSSstrike, because this XSSstrike is also use this payload. This is XSSstrike. See, they are not updated their tool from 2 years. So because of that, sometimes this won't work. So yep, let's try this. See, this is XSSstrike. Okay, chmod x, typing mistake all the time, Python 3 XSSstrike -h. See, okay, let's use it again. See, now this is working. So say -URL, and after that you can give the URL. So let's say -u, and we have the URL because we want to, let's say, check out on this. Checking for vulnerability, they found out this, see, they generated the payload. Now they will check it. So see, and other than that, see, this is for URL, and see, if you want to check on the post data, so what you can do, save the post data, and after that use the data hyphen data, and like okay, you want to check a specific parameter. Okay, and level also you can use how many levels you want to recurring. Okay, and yeah, you can also inject the blind XSS. See, this find out a XSS payload, like let's say that this is working. Okay, And other than that, you can also use the Dalfox. So Dalfox is advanced tool. Dalfox GitHub. Let's try to find out the Dalfox installation. Installation is easy. See, go install. You can use this installation. Go install GitHub. This. So this is Golang tool, and they are very good and very fast. Most of the time, Golang tools are very fast. See, we are installing the Dalfox. And how you can use the Dalfox? So you can see the help menu here. Please note. Let's say examples. Let's see samples. Sample configuration or not. See, these are the uses, and it's installed. After installed, just type Dalfox. Okay, no Dalfox. Okay, locate Dalfox. Nothing. Update DB. Locate Dalfox. Where is the Dalfox location actually? Okay, it's in the root go bin Dalfox. So I need to copy in the user bin. Copy root go bin Dalfox to use user bin. Now type Dalfox, and now see, you can use it for now exploitation. See, very easy. Dalfox, and after that URL, and that put the URL. So let's check out Dalfox URL, and okay, Dalfox URL, and let's see where is our URL. This is the URL, and paste it here. See, this is checking. So it will take some time. Say this is advanced tool, so you can use this for exploitation. Okay, and see, if you want to learn more, then just use the help menu for everything. You will find out. Okay. Okay, what happened? Okay, this website is not working, and this is very slow because of that. See, timeout exceeded. Okay, it's okay. So what impact of the XSS? So we can theft the cookie, keylogging, phishing, URL redirection. So we can theft the cookie and keylogging and phishing we can perform, and URL redirection also we can perform through the XSS. Mitigation, like encode data on the output. Like see what we can do, like encode when we are output the user supply data, that just encode them, and never trust user supply data, so validate it. Okay, and this is all about XSS.